We're going to talk about the point of view, which is the view from which the story is told. Who is telling the story is what you want to keep in mind. Is it the author, narrator, a character? There's three types of point of views that we're going to focus on for our author's purpose project. So the first type is in first person. This is when a character is telling the story. Words that you're going to see or clue words are I, me, my, we, and our. The next point of view that we're going to discuss is second person. This is when a narrator is talking to the reader, and these clue words are you or your. And lastly, we'll discuss third person. This is when the author or narrator is telling the story. These clue words involved he, she, him, her, they, or them. We're just going to focus on these three types of point of views for our project, first, second, and third person. As we move on throughout the year, we will add third person limited and third person omniscient. But for our author's purpose and point of view project with the animal, you just have to remember first person, second person, and third person.